This is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set default web browser on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Mac's default web browser Safari comes loaded with a number of security and privacy features. However, some of us might be in love with the interface and have a personal preference for a third-party browser. While Mac allows you not to just install it on your device, it also lets you change the default web browser of your choice. And in this video, I will show you how to set or how to change your default web browser on your MacBook. How to do it is so simple. So first, you can just open your system preferences on your MacBook. Now you can just go to General, click on General, and you'll find there is an option, Default Web Browser. In here, we have two options, Google Chrome and Safari. By default, your default web browser on MacBook is Safari. But if you want to change to Google Chrome, you can just choose on Google Chrome. So simple, right? So here's, you can change your default web browser anytime you want on your MacBook. So simple, right? So that is how to change default web browser on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!